Welcome back to That One Life, guys. Just thought I'd show you guys a storm that's going on out here in my domain. It's beautiful. Wow, did you see that? This is just cool. Here comes the rain. It's been lightning like crazy. We've got rolling thunder. This is really cool, guys. I just figured I'd share this with you. Good old Arizona and their beautiful lightning shows. The monsoons out here are really cool in the summer, guys. Just figured I'd share it with you. Man, that's great. And it cooled way down. And this is the funny thing is, the storm isn't supposed to show until midnight. So this is just a precursor to what's coming. The big storm headed this way. Anyways, I just figured I'd share this with you guys. Man, listen to that rain. All year last year we didn't wind up with one monsoon. It was awful. And we're kind of going through a pretty bad drought here, guys, so I'm so happy that it's raining and storming, and we really need this here. I'm standing out on my back porch right now, just in my house. Man, it's gorgeous. Anyways, I got some more footage of it. Ooh, that's a good one. I got some more footage of it I'll roll in too. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. This is cool, you know? Nature is a beautiful thing. This is just crazy tonight. Just outside of Casa Grande, Arizona. Wow. Oh my. I just absolutely love the monsoons. You guys hear the thunder in the background, the rolling thunder? Man, it's cool. Let's see if I can get a better shot here. Y'all see that? Oh, this is nuts, right? At least, nice. At least it cooled down. It's like, I don't know, 78, 79 degrees right now. It's way nicer than it was earlier today. I absolutely love storms. It's one of my favorite things to watch. They're just magnificent, aren't they? Wow. Anyways, you guys probably can't see me. There we go. Ever so slightly you can see me in the lightning. Here comes the rain. I'll just pan back over because there's no point in... There we go. Here comes the rain, guys. Ah, it's absolutely gorgeous. And the real storm, I guess, isn't supposed to be here till like midnight tonight. But figured I'd show you guys. These are the monsoons that we get in Arizona. Our average monsoons. They're pretty cool. God, listen to that rolling thunder. It's amazing. Anyways, y'all be safe. Have a good one.